Automated employee sentiment analysis workflow built with n8n and OpenAI. In this video, I'll walk you through how the system analyzes feedback, assigns sentiment and confidence score, categorizes responses, and updates Google Sheets in real time. So let's dive in. Step 1. Step 1 starts with a manual trigger within n8n, allowing us to test and execute the process on demand. In a real world scenario, this can also be replaced by an automated trigger such as Google Sheets event or a scheduled cron job. Step 2 is fetching feedback from Google Sheets. The second node, the Google Sheets read node, pulls the feedback entries from our Google data. This includes employee comments, timestamps, or any other data which we will now analyze using AI. The step 3 is the sentiment analysis with OpenAI. Now, this feedback data is sent to the OpenAI message model for analysis. The AI examines the text and returns the sentiment classification, which has three broad categories: positive, negative, or mixed. Confidence score, a measure of how certain the AI is about the sentiment. Feedback categorization, whether the feedback relates to issues related to workplace culture or workload and stress or career growth. Step 4 is processing the AI response. This code node is at the AI response is then passed to the code node, which cleans the data, standardizes sentiment values, and ensures that confidence scores and categories are always valid. Step 5 is updating the Google Sheets with AI insights. The processed data is then sent to the Google Sheets where sentiment and confidence scores are updated in the original feedback rows. Feedback categories are also added, allowing HR teams to filter based on key themes. Step 6. Step 6 is now aggregating insights for trend analysis. Next, the workflow moves to the code 1 node, which calculates summary statistics such as total number of feedback entries per sentiment, most frequently mentioned feedback category, and average pay confidence score. Step 7. Step 7 is nothing but storing summary data in the Google Sheets. Finally, the Google Sheets append node stores this aggregated data in a summary sheet. This allows the HR team to track sentiment trends over time and make data-driven decisions to improve employee engagement. With this automation, companies can analyze feedback at scale, track employee sentiments in real time, and take action before problems escalate. Whether you are a HR professional or a business leader, you can use this tool to save time and remove manual effort and provide powerful insights. Now we'll take a look of how the system works in real time. So I already have my data which is there in a sheet called employee feedback responses, and we have the total aggregation summary sheet where we'll get the main statistics. We will be able to get the main statistics. So we'll just run the workflow over the sheet to check how our system is working. So I'll just press on test workflow. It will take some time because it has to process 100 rows of data. It will take some time. So we'll just wait until the processing is done. Wow, I think it is done. We have got our response in less. All our data got all our insights have got updated, have got added. So for each and every row of data, we are able to see what is the sentiment here. So there are many mixed, positive, and we have our confidence scores added as well, and also the feedback sentiment category. And apart from this, our summary sheet has also got updated. We have 100 rows of data. Positive response is 42, negative we have 0. Since this is a made up ChatGPT synthetically generated data, uh, this does not actually reflect the real world scenario. You have neutral count, which is 58, which is the highest count, and the average confidence score is around 79.5 percentage. And most of the people in the workplace are concerned about growth and career development. I think HR can action on this insight and make sure that they take the necessary steps before things escalate. Thank you.